Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on your MacBook. While Rocket League doesn't have a native Mac OS version, there are excellent workarounds. We'll explore two primary methods, using Boot Camp for Intel Macs and leveraging cloud gaming services for all Mac models. Understanding these options will help you choose the best approach for your setup and ensure a smooth gaming experience. For those with Intel-based MacBooks, Boot Camp is a fantastic solution. It allows you to install a full version of Windows directly onto your machine, creating a dual boot system. You'll need a Windows license and at least 64 gigabytes of available storage space. Once Windows is installed, you can download Rocket League through the Epic Games Store and enjoy it with near-native performance, just like on a PC. If you have an Apple Silicon Mac or prefer not to partition your drive, cloud gaming is an excellent alternative. Services such as NVIDIA GeForce now allow you to stream Rocket League directly to your MacBook. The game runs on powerful remote servers, and the video feed is sent to your device. You'll need a stable internet connection, preferably 25 megabits per second or higher, for a smooth, low-latency experience. To optimize your Rocket League experience, always ensure your Mac meets the minimum system requirements for your chosen method. When playing, close any unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. For cloud gaming, a wired internet connection can significantly reduce latency. Finally, using an external controller, rather than the keyboard, often provides a more precise and enjoyable gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.